Hello besties, let's FaceTime and make dinner in our Instant Pot. Let's make some garlic Parmesan chicken pasta. Come on. Besties, full disclosure, I just did a snack and chat where I had a sweet potato and cheese with you, and I literally went over the entire lineup of what we're going to be doing, the days and the themes, and it got deleted. I'm the definition of we're not stressing because I was like, that's fine. We're not stressing. We're cooking. So you guys asked me for some Instant Pot and some crock pot meals. And I'm like, say less. I got you, besties. You talk, I listen, because that's what besties do. So we have I actually really love this. This is from Walmart. It is diced chicken breast, and it's in pieces. And what's good is that it's already cleaned. You're not gonna find those ill little bits of grossy josie chicken. I do not like that. But these, I don't know what they do, but they come already I don't know if you can see in there because I'm not gonna touch it because it's chicken, but they come perfectly. So you don't have to do anything. So I'm gonna dump maybe half this bag in here because they come in, I can actually let you see. See, they come in perfectly little dice size. And that's all you need to do. We're gonna go in and season it. I'm gonna go in with some Sazon Seasonal because, again, if you're not seasoned, you're not seasoning. And I'm not even gonna chop up an onion because we're going away for a week, so I don't wanna have a ton of fresh produce on hand. So I'm going to do some chopped onion here, some dehydrated onion because, some Tony Chachere's for a little spice. And this is the aglio de olio. I like this because it's an all-in-one seasoning. It has all of the things you need as far as a good Italian seasoning, all in one. One and you're done. All right, so let's go in, and I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. Yes, once again, we're going out of town. I don't want to have a ton of fresh stuff on hand because I don't want it to go bad. We're going to be gone for a week. So fresh garlic. Now we are going to go in, and I have some protein pasta. Yes, pasta's going right in there. It can all be done together. Oh, they all ended up on one side. I touched the pasta, not the chicken. Don't worry. So make sure it's all even, just like that. Now what we want to do is, this is the Parmesan wing sauce, the Wingstop. This is actually Aldi's version, which is a little bit cheaper. They both taste the same to me. The entire thing, literally the whole thing, goes in there, and you want to dump it over. Now, the thing about this that you want to remember is that it all gets cooked together, and you want to make sure that the chicken and pasta get done at the same time. And with these dices, that's literally what happens. So in order to make sure that your pasta cooks at the right way, you want to just cover the pasta a little bit over. So there is no exact science. So I added some milk in there. This is chicken stock. Once again, guys, I'm so excited that soon I'm gonna be making homemade chicken stock, and then I get to put it in the freezer. And I'm not even gonna stir this. Not even gonna stir it. You can't. It's just covering that pasta. Actually, you know what? Let me do a little bit more just to make sure, because you want to have enough liquid that your Instant Pot will come to temperature. If there's not enough liquid, all of it will evaporate, and then it will never come up to temp. So you put the lid on, and I'm gonna put this on for 5 minutes, not 10. 5 minutes. 5 minutes, besties. When we come back, we open it. We put in 1 block of softened cream cheese on top, stir it in, you're done. All right, 5 minutes. In case that wasn't clear, 5 minutes on, oh, see, there she goes. That's 5 minutes on pressure cook, manual 5 minutes, and you have to wait for it to come up to temperature, and that will take some time, and then 5 minutes. And I do a quick release, but I just wanted to make sure you didn't think, start a timer on your own for 5 minutes. No girl, no, besties. Besties, the timer just went off. It's been 5 minutes. Quick release. I'm a nerd. It's fine. It's good. Just know this about me, if we're gonna be besties. Yep. We're not stressing. We're steaming. It just released. Okay, big reveal. It looks amazing. Ugh, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the pasta is perfectly cooked. Literally, do you see that? The chicken, perfection. And I don't need to do anything. The meal prep on this, like what? 10 minutes? Not even. So now what I'm gonna do, while it's still super hot, I'm going to dump this cubed cream cheese in there, stir it in, and let that melt in, and then dinner is ready. Oh, I'm also gonna put some fresh Parmesan in there because it can get cheesy. Add the fresh Parmesan and gonna stir. This smells incredible, and I cannot stress how easy this was. Just dump it all in, walk away. And those of you who are, I know there are people who are scared of Instant Pot. Like, don't be. It's really safe, and it has, you know, safety features that won't let, you can't mess it up. Well, I mean, just, it's fine. Alright, besties, thank you so much for cooking with me. This is the finished product. It is amazing. If you want to see me plate it up and taste test, go to the next FaceTime. But for now, I just wanted you guys to see how easy this is. Let me know if you like this kind of content. Let me know if you want to see more recipes. And thank you so much for hanging out with me. Again, if you aren't an official bestie, make sure that you subscribe, hit that little button, and yeah. Just remember, we're not stressing, and hopefully you guys did something great for yourself today. See you in 5 minutes, because we FaceTime every 5 minutes. Let's taste test.